Our geometric progression has the first term a and the common ratio is cos theta, where theta is less than pi by 2 and greater than 0. It is given that the second term is 8 and the fifth term is 1 over 8. Find the value of theta, give your answer correct to three significant figures. We know that geometric progression is a, then ar, then ar square, and it goes on up to ar to the power of n minus 1. This is the nth term of the geometric progression. And we are given that second term means a2 is given, which is 8, and we are also given fifth term, so a fifth is 1 over 8. And we know that first term is a and the common ratio is r, which is cos of theta. Okay, we know that the nth term an for the geometric progression is equals to ar to the power of n minus 1. So second term a2 is equals to ar to the power of 2 minus 1, which is equals to 8. And this one is equals to ar equals to 8. And we know that r is given, which is cos of theta. So this one can be written as a cos of theta is equals to 8. This is the equation 1. Similarly, we have been given fifth term. So a fifth is equals to ar to the power of 5 minus 1, and this one is equals to ar to the power of 4, which is given 1 over 8. Common ratio is given, which is cos theta, so we can write it a cos to the power of 4 theta is equals to 1 over 8. So this is the equation 2. We need to find the value of theta. So we have two equations, we can solve them simultaneously to find the value of theta. So if we divide equation 2 by equation 1, then a cos to the power of 4 theta is equals to 1 over 8 divided by equation 1, which is a cos of theta, and divided by 8. This will become 3 and the a will be cancelled out, and we will have cos cube of theta is equals to 1 over 8 times 8, and this one is equal to 1 over 64. And cos cube of theta is equals to 1 over 4 cube. So we will have cos of theta, which is equals to 1 over 4. Okay, we need to find the value of theta. So theta is equals to cos inverse of 1 over 4, and this one is equals to the 1.31811, and which is equivalent to 1.32. This is a three significant figure. So this is the required angle in radian. Now let's move to the part B. Find the exact value of the sum to infinity. We know that geometric progression is ar, then ar square to infinity, where r is cos of theta. We just calculated, which is cos of 1.32, and this one is equals to the 1 over 4. So this can be written as a comma a over 4 comma a over 16, and it will move like that. It is asked that we need to find sum to infinity, and we know that sum to infinity is equals to a over 1 minus r. We have the information of r, which is 1 over 4. We don't have information of a. To find the value of a, we will use equation 1. From equation 1, a cos of theta is equals to 8. Okay, we know that cos of theta is 1 over 4. So a times 1 over 4 is equals to 8, and this one is equals to the a equals to 8 4s are 32. Now we have the information of first term a, and we have the common ratio r. So we can calculate sum to infinity, which is equals to a over 1 minus r, and a is 32 over 1 minus r, which is 1 over 4, and this one is equals to 32 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So sum to infinity is 32 times 4 over 3, and this one is equals to 128 over 3. So this one the required sum to infinity. Let's move to the question number 3.